Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to give you working Binance Red Packet codes completely free, and yes, they really work. So let's get started. First of all, open the Binance app on your phone. Then tap on more from the home page. Now scroll down and select gift and campaign. Then tap on Red Packet. Now select the receive option. Now enter the first code 0Z9 P L 4 X S and then tap on claim. Now tap on open. Now you will be receive tone coins. Go back and enter the second code S1 U N 3 G Q A and then tap on claim option again. Then tap on open. Now you will receive dog coins. Now go back and next code EJBD674Y. Now tap on claim and then open again. Now you will receive CGPT coins and then go back and enter this next code M1USNOTP. Now tap on claim again. Open this box. You will receive ETC coin. Now go back and enter the next code MPX7YR8L and tap on open this box. Congratulations, you will receive BNB coin. Now go back and enter next code FG704P9G. Open this box and you will receive PNB coins. Now go back and enter next code BPV4NSIN2O and then tap on claim option. Now get up to $25 with the Red Packet airdrop. Now go back and next code J3H9KJ7E and tap on claim and open the box again. Now you will receive some BNB coin. The next code 5PSZBGBJ and tap on claim option. Now open this box and you will be receive BNB coins. Enter this next code QP5NFJQB. Claim this code and open box again. You will receive PEP coins. Enter the next code 4AEVDT4Q. You will receive PEP coins. Enter the last code YWEPZX1M and tap on claim option Now you will receive Peps coin. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more real crypto rewards and Binance tips. See you in the next video.